Hello everybody, this is the Film Critic. Welcome to my, I think, 10th attempt at this video. Trying to unbox the Shining, on Blu-ray from the Iconic Moments collection. And let's see. Here's the side of it, as I've shown you guys about 10 times, even though you guys haven't seen the other cuts. Here's the wrapping of it, just people won't, just stay out of my room when I'm trying to record. And here's the case. It's front of it. Here's the back. And I think I'm going crazy like Jack Torrance, because people keep on barging in here and it's driving me insane. For like the 10th time in a row. What do they want? I don't know. Alright, so here's the Blu-ray. Here's the DVD. As you see, this is from the Stanley Kubrick collection. And it's on DVD, of course. There's a spine. There's the back. And here's the Blu-ray, which, there's the spine. Here's the back of it. And the inside looks like this. It's got a cool little disc. The other one I would show it to you, but I left it inside one of my 3,000 DVD or Blu-ray players, to be honest. And yeah, this is the Shining from the Iconic Moments collection, Warner Brothers. So I will see you guys later. This is the Film Critic signing out for the 20th time, actually. Bye.